If you use Krita for drawing or painting, learning a few brush shortcuts can save you a massive amount of time and make your workflow feel much smoother. In this video, I'm going to walk you through all the essential brush shortcuts in Krita, including brush tools, quick toggles, resizing, opacity, color picking, and temporary overrides. These are the kinds of shortcuts that help you stay in the flow while painting, instead of constantly clicking through menus. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. Let's start with the most important brush tool shortcuts. Press B to select the freehand brush tool. This is the shortcut you'll use most often when you want to start drawing right away. If you need to erase with the same brush setup, press E to toggle eraser mode on your current brush. That means you can switch between painting and erasing without changing tools constantly. If you want to quickly switch back to your previous brush preset, press the / key. This is really useful when you jump between two different brushes over and over again. Another powerful shortcut is Q, which activates the multi-brush tool. This tool can help you create more advanced brush strokes and mirrored or repeated effects depending on your setup. For fast access to brush presets, press F6 to open the Choose Brush Preset quick menu. This is a great way to browse and select brushes without leaving your canvas. And if you want to fine-tune how your brush behaves, press F5 to open the main brush settings panel. This is where you can adjust brush tip, spacing, smoothing, and many other detailed settings. Right-clicking on the canvas opens Krita's pop-up palette. This is one of the most convenient features in the app because it gives you quick access to favorite brushes, recent colors, and other useful tools right under your cursor. If you work quickly, this can become one of your favorite ways to switch tools without interrupting your drawing. Now, let's move on to brush size, opacity, and blending shortcuts. Press the right square bracket to increase brush size and press the left square bracket to decrease it. This is one of the fastest ways to adjust your brush on the fly while painting. If you prefer a more visual method, hold Shift and drag to dynamically resize the brush. Depending on how you drag, you can make the brush larger or smaller very intuitively. For opacity control, press O to increase brush opacity and I to decrease it. This is especially helpful when you want softer layering or lighter strokes without opening any sliders. If you're trying to blend values while painting, these shortcuts can really help speed up your workflow. Krita also gives you very fast color value adjustments while painting. Press L to increment the active color to a lighter value and press it to make the active color darker. These shortcuts are great when you want to build light and shadow variations without constantly opening the color wheel. Next, let's look at color selection while painting. Hold Ctrl and left click on the canvas to sample a color from under your cursor. This is the standard eyedropper style shortcut and is incredibly useful when you want to pick colors directly from your artwork. If you want to sample a color only from the current layer, use Ctrl, Alt, and left click. That extra control helps when you are working with layered artwork and don't want to sample from anything underneath. Press X to swap your foreground and background colors. This is perfect when you want to quickly flip between two colors you're already using. And if you want to reset your colors back to the default black foreground and white background, press D. That gives you a fast, clean reset whenever your colors get messy. Finally, there's a really handy temporary tool override. Hold V to temporarily switch your brush into the straight line tool. The moment you release V, Krita returns you to normal brush painting. This is excellent for adding clean lines or sharp edges without permanently changing tools. The best way to remember these shortcuts is to practice them while you draw. Start with the ones you'll use most often, like B, E, the bracket keys, Ctrl+, click, X, and D. Once those become automatic, add the more advanced ones like F5, F6, Q, and the temporary line override. The more you use them, the faster and more natural your Krita workflow will feel. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe for more Krita tips and shortcuts, and let me know in the comments which shortcut saved you the most time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.